The New Zealand market, the NZX, also known as Te Paehoko or Aotearoa in Maori, is the country's national stock exchange and a publicly traded corporation. Smartshares, LifeSaver, a financial service for KiwiSaver, and Wealth Technologies are all owned by NZX. The NZX has 184 listed securities with a combined market value of 184.87 billion New Zealand dollars, and they are denominated in New Zealand dollars. New Zealand's economy is a well-developed free market economy. When measured in nominal gross domestic product, GDP, it is the 52nd biggest in the world, and when assessed in purchasing power parity, it is the 63rd largest, PPP. New Zealand has a huge GDP for its population of 5 million people, and revenue sources are dispersed around the country. The country's economy is one of the most globalized, relying heavily on foreign commerce, particularly with Australia, Canada, China, the European Union, Japan, Singapore, South Korea and the United States. New Zealand's economy is quite similar to Australia's. As of 2013, the service sector accounted for 63% of all GDP activity in New Zealand's diversified economy. Aluminium production, food processing, metal fabrication and wood and paper goods are all large-scale industrial businesses. As of 2013, 16.5% of GDP was accounted for by mining, manufacturing, power, gas, water and waste services. Despite accounting for only 6.5% of GDP in 2013, the primary sector continues to dominate New Zealand's exports. The information technology industry is rapidly expanding. The New Zealand Exchange is the country's main stock exchange, NZX. The NZX has 258 listed securities with a combined market capitalisation of 94.1 billion New Zealand dollars as of February 2014. The New Zealand dollar, affectionately known as the Kiwi dollar, is also accepted in 4 Pacific Island territories. The New Zealand dollar is the world's 10th most traded currency. The main industries are food processing, textiles, machinery and transportation equipment, finance, tourism and mining. Even though you are not a transitory resident, New Zealand does not have a capital gains tax. Therefore, you will not be taxed on the selling of your shares in New Zealand. Research on Kiwi stocks can be done with the Statistics New Zealand website. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.